Hello and welcome back to my new video on my channel, and today I'm going to show you what I don't like in my SR125. I have been using this bike since last 1 month, and overall experience has been pretty good, but there are few key points that I think could have been better in this scooter. So the first thing that I feel not satisfactory is the kick. Yes. So if you look at the kick, is the uh, is a back facing kit. Okay. So usually what happens is the earlier scooter that I had a front facing kick, so that was easy to kickstart the bike while you are sitting on the seat. But now you have to get down, put the center stand, and then kick the bike like this. However, if you put the bike on wheels like this, you probably can't kickstart the bike. You see, this is a major challenge in this bike, but I believe the fuel injected version doesn't have this problem, because you might not have a kickstarter in the fuel injected system. I'm not sure about it. Now the second thing that I don't like in this bike is the keyhole. This creates a lot of problem, while if it is a dark or in at nights when you don't have the lights, you need to use your mobile phone torchlight or flashlight to insert the key in the keyhole, and it's a very basic key, very basic. The third thing that I don't like is the horn. Now, while you are riding the bike, you hold the handlebar like this, and when you try to bring your fingers to the horn, it there are you get some obstacles here because of these uh, plastic uh, component here. You see, the shape of this is very rectangular, because of which it's very difficult to reach the horn. Now when you try to press the horn, these part of the plastic panel prevents your fingers from pressing the horn. So this is one of the major design flaw, I would say, in this bike. But overall the fit and finish of this plastic is very high quality as compared to any other brand. And the next thing that I don't like in this bike is the instrument console. It's a very basic instrument console. You don't get a digital one, although even if you pay 20,000 extra, you are not getting it. But other bikes like the new Jupiter 110 BS6 model already has a digital instrument console, and that is a lot cheaper than this one. So these are the four things that I don't like in the Aprilia. But overall the ride quality and the level of quality of the components of this bike is fantastic and very high quality. Seats are very comfortable, very soft, and it's very good for pillion riders as well. And overall the quality of the bike is very nice with the foot pegs, I mean. And yes, not to forget about the foot pegs. If you forgot to put this foot pegs back or close the foot pegs, you might hit your legs like this. So if you're trying to push the bike and your foot pegs are open, then it has already happened with me. Well, I kept my leg like this, and the foot pegs hits right away on your legs. You see, so it's a very painful thing, when the foot pegs is a steel foot peg, and if it hits your leg, it gives a lot of pain. So every time you have to ensure that the foot pegs are closed while you are trying to push the bike or park the bike, or you're trying to put the bike out of the stand. these foot pegs are on, you might end up hitting your legs. So these are the few things that I don't like in the bike. Feel free to comment and let me know what do you think about this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos on real-time reviews of bikes and cars. Please be aware that this is not a promotion video. I just make videos to share my experiences on the things on the bikes that I'm using it for myself. And have a good day, stay safe. Have a great day. Bye bye.